Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flapping bird. I don't have a flapping bird because mine got destroyed. I think I ended up putting it in the bin, but I don't care. But this is a paper crane. I'll show you this in one of my other later videos. But for a flapping bird, it's basically a bit different because it's a bit fatter. I mean, it's like the same size, but it's a bit like fatter. And also, if you like angle the wings at like this way, and then you can flap it by holding the tail and pulling away. It just got ripped. I don't care. Okay, now let's start. Say hi.